Oh, we ready. We ready. We're gonna play Zen. You're gonna love it. Oh wait, you haven't done it yet. Oh.
I'm still making it. Shut the fuck up. This takes time. True artistry and craftsmanship goes into this. Okay.
God damn it!
Bill, you're gonna have to play this, Zanon. I'm sorry. You have to play the game. Yep.
Out of my way.
You gotta play the game, Zanon.
Yeah, I will later. Get out of my way before I throw this cleaver at you.
No, not game work, Zanon. We don't
I will
just
literally throw the
choose to
cleaver
play
at
the
your head.
game. We don't choose to play the game, Zanon. We just play the game.
Gosh.
I will throw the cleaver at your head.
I will break your
Please
face
do
in
for
for
me.
pickaxe.
Wait, Xanon, just wait like 1 fucking minute.
Before you throw it in his face, I
Does anyone know what that song's called?
What?
Where
mean,
it's
the one
like,
from Ragnarok? Or?
Yeah.
Damn, dude. It's been a while since I've actually listened to the full songs. I might have to take a brain check. I could look it up for you.
Alright, well, okay, hold on, real quick. Everybody shut the fuck up. Everybody shut the fuck up right now. No, shut the fuck up. Alright, Dude.
Yes.
Dude, is Xanon in the base with us?
Zanon is right behind you.
Okay, Xanon, are you ready?
Sure.
Alright, sir, this is a game that we have come up with, and this is a game that was inspired by you, dear sir. You were the motivation and the inspiration to create this game. And so here now, for your very first time ever in Rust, you are going to play this game. Are you ready?
Sure, but I don't feel like I was the inspiration for this game.
You were.
Yes, I
Oh, god damn it.
Alright, sir. The game's simple. Is it a ship or is it a boat? Only you decide.
Oh, is this the game? This is the game. I understand now.
Spin the wheel and tell us, is it a ship or is it a boat? Quick, is it a ship or is it a boat?
Zanon, what is it?
Is it a ship? Is it a boat?
It's a boat, obviously.
Woohoo! It's a boat!
You didn't play the game right, Zanon. I'm taking your clothes.
What the fuck was that?
Welcome to Rust. Look at all the bullet holes in him.
Gosh.
Jesus.
It was
Completely
glorious.
destroyed my clothes.
Yeah, they were destroyed. Hey, what's it? Okay, I'm good for tonight. That was all I needed.
You okay there, Soul? I think we lost Soul.
Oh my god. I love this game way too much.
Wanna play some more Thunder?